Howdy folks, welcome back to AI Beyond Borders. It seems like since the launch of ChatGPT, the term AI has been everywhere. Lately, I've been playing around with a bunch of AI machine learning tools, and let me tell you, I've found some that are truly mind-blowing. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 10 AI tools that are not only beneficial, but could revolutionize the way you work and create. So fasten your seatbelts because we're diving into the world of AI innovation starting right now. Coming in at number 1, we have Runway, the ultimate AI tool from the incredible minds at Runway. Trust me when I say this, folks. Runway's AI suite is a game changer, and I predict it could become Adobe's biggest competitor in the not-too-distant future. Yes, you heard it here first. Adobe, you've been warned. But wait, it gets even better. The crown jewel of Runway's research labs is their mind-boggling multi-model AI system. This bad boy can take any image, video, or text and transform it into a brand new video. They call it Gen 2, and let me tell you, it blew my mind more than anything released by OpenAI, Microsoft, or Google. Seriously, folks, it's on a whole new level. And here's the kicker. Their text-to-video feature is light years ahead of anyone else out there. Just imagine you input your text and boom! Runway creates a stunning video based on your words. It's like magic, but with AI. I urge you to all give this a try because let's be real, developing and accessing AI tools isn't always cheap. Thankfully, Runway offers a free basic plan, but for those seeking more, their affordable plans start at just $12 per month. Trust me, it's worth every penny. Next up at number 2, we have Mixo, the AI-powered website builder that will blow your mind. If you've ever wanted to create a stunning website but lack coding or design experience, Mixo is your new best friend. It leaves competitors like Squarespace and Wix in the dust, folks. Here's how it works. Simply give Mixo a brief description of your idea and voila! It uses AI wizardry to build you a complete website that looks absolutely fantastic on both desktop and mobile. But wait, there's more. Mixo goes the extra mile by offering you a free SSL certificate for your site, access to their vast stock photo library, and the ability to effortlessly embed videos from YouTube and Vimeo. And guess what? You get unlimited storage for all your site's content. Mixo does have a free plan, but for those who want to remove their branding and use a custom domain along with additional features, their plans start at just $9 per month. Trust me, folks, Mixo is a game changer for web design. Now, get ready for number 3, a cool Chrome extension that will revolutionize the way you learn and research. Introducing Wizdolia, the ultimate flashcard creator powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT. Here's how it works. Simply browse any website and with a click of the Wizdolia icon, it automatically generates flashcards based on the information found on the site. These flashcards not only present you with questions but also provide the answers so you can test your knowledge and expand your understanding. And guess what? You can save these flashcards to Anki, a fantastic free and open source flashcard deck tool. Learning has never been so interactive and efficient. Now let's move on to number 4, the mind-blowing chat AI product from DID. Prepare to be amazed, folks, because this free web app lets you have face-to-face conversations with ChatGPT using real-time face animation, all without touching your keyboard. Yes, you heard me right. You simply speak to it using your voice and the AI avatar responds. It's like having a virtual companion right at your fingertips. Just make sure lonely people don't misuse this incredible tool. Only time will tell how it will be used, but the possibilities are endless. Our journey into the realm of AI continues with number 5. NVIDIA, the well-known graphic cards maker, has unleashed their latest AI tool called Canvas. Brace yourself, folks, because this tool takes your painted works and transforms them into breathtakingly realistic landscapes. Just imagine the possibilities. Once you've created your masterpiece, you can import it into popular programs like Adobe, Photoshop, Blender, and NVIDIA Omniverse. The future of digital art has arrived, my friends. However, keep in mind that Canvas is currently available only for Windows 10 or newer, and it works with selected NVIDIA RTX GPUs. So make sure you have the right setup to experience the full potential of this groundbreaking AI tool. Now let's dive into Microsoft's world at number 6. brace yourself with Microsoft 365 Copilot, the next generation of AI-powered learning models integrated into your favorite Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Microsoft is taking productivity to a whole new level, my friends. Although it's not officially available yet, they're currently testing it with select customers and plan to roll it out to all users this summer. Get ready to witness the power of AI in your everyday work. Here's something for all you content creators out there. Number 7, SoundRaw. Say goodbye to copyright issues and expensive music licenses because SoundRaw is here to save the day. This incredible AI music generator allows you to create royalty-free music for your YouTube videos, podcasts, social media content, or anything else you can imagine. It's as simple as selecting your desired genre, length, and tempo. Customize it to your heart's content and let SoundRaw unleash the perfect soundtrack for your creations. They do offer a free plan, but for those looking to use their music in commercial projects, their plans start at just $16.99 per month. Get ready to elevate your content with the power of AI-generated music. Are you ready for number 8? Introducing Kyber, the ultimate video generation AI tool that has been causing quite a stir. Whether it's a selfie, a stunning landscape, or even your original music, Kyber turns your assets into stunning videos using its AI generation engine. This tool has already been used by popular music artists like Kid Cudi, Linkin Park to create captivating visuals. And the best part? You can take Kyber for a test drive with their free plan, although it includes a watermark. To unlock the full potential and remove the watermark, their Pro plan is available for just $10 per month. It's time to bring your creations to life like never before. Moving on to number 9, we have a game-changing tool for all you Mac users out there, Rewind. Imagine a world where everything you see, hear, and say on your Mac is not only recorded but made searchable using AI technology from OpenAI. Well, with Rewind, that world becomes a reality. Say goodbye to scrambling to find that important snippet of information. With Rewind, you can effortlessly search through your recordings and relive those precious moments with ease. And don't worry about privacy. Rewind stores all recordings locally on your Mac, ensuring that only you have access to them. You can even exclude certain programs from recording, including while using private modes on Chrome and Safari web browsers. Best of all, Rewind offers a free plan, giving you up to 50 total rewinds. For even more rewind power, their pricing starts at just $10 per month. Get ready to rewind your digital life like never before. Last but certainly not least, we have a glimpse into the future with number 10, Versi. Although it's in the early stages and requires you to join a waitlist, trust me when I say it's worth the anticipation. Versi is a generative AI solution that creates virtual experiences based on the text you enter. Picture this, you input your ideas and Versi brings them to life in a virtual environment, eliminating the costs associated with manual creation. Whether it's product development, events, escape rooms, treasure hunts, or anything else you can imagine, Versi empowers you to create interactive experiences like never before. And the best part, it's completely free. So don't miss out on this opportunity to shape the future of virtual spaces. Thank you all for joining us today on this exciting journey through the world of AI tools. We've explored the incredible potential of Runway, Mixo, Wisdolia, ChatDID, NVIDIA, Microsoft 360 Copilot, SoundRaw, Kyber, Rewind, and Versi. The links to all these amazing tools are provided in the video description, so make sure to check them out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know your favorite AI tools in the comments below. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest AI tools and other tech-related content here on AI Borders. Until next time, keep exploring the limitless possibilities of AI. This is AI Beyond Borders signing off.